Good morning, students. I am Gopal, head of the Department of Humanities and Science. In the last class, we have to see integrations by parts. So today we have to discuss one of the important integration. Here, in the given integration, having the two functions. One is the exponential function. Another one is sine bx. So this is a very important integration here. Now we remember this integration as a formula. Okay, so first how to solve this problem. We will see how to solve this problem. The given problem is integral e power ax sine bx dx. As per the rule, which rule? Eilert rule. Here this is exponential function and this is trigonometric function. So according to Eilert rule, first we have to return this trigonometric function as a first function, exponential function is second function. So therefore now this is u and this is we return dv. So by integral by parts, integral u dv equal to u into v minus integral v du. Now we compare this integral u dv. So this function compare into this one. So in order to solve or find out this integral value, we use here integral by parts. So that's why we have to find out this right hand side values. So here what is u? Now compare this integral into this one. First we have to written here u equal to this sine bx and dv equal to e power ax into dx. Okay, now we have to find out the remaining values v and dv. And what is v? V is nothing but integration of, actually this is called a first function, this is called a second function. Okay, so dv means integration of first function. Yes, we have to written integral e power ax into dx. So then second, now du means differentiation of first function. We have to written here d by dx of sine bx. Okay, now we have to find out this integral value by integral by parts. So therefore integral sine bx into e power ax dx equal to, first we have to return v. What is v here? V equal to sine bx. Yes, I am written here. And then we have to return v. What is v? Integral e power ax dx. So then minus integral v. V means integration of second function. Now integral e power ax dx into next dv. dv means differentiation of first function. D sine bx by dx into dx. Okay, now we have to find out here the values. Sine bx is as it is. Integration of e power ax dx equal to e power ax by a minus. Now in this integration again we have one more integration. Integral e power ax dx equal to e power ax by a into and differentiation of sine bx, b into cos bx, and one more dx is there. Clear? So therefore now from here we are taking b by a common, then integral e power ax cos bx dx. Okay, now we getting this one. And remember here, so again we have one more integral here, integral e power ax cos bx dx means, so in this integral again multiplying two different functions means again we apply here integral by parts. Now the given integration, integral a power x sine bx dx equal to e power x by a sine bx. We have this function, there is no integral sign or there is no differentiation sign. But here coming to the second part, so actually this is integral e power ax cos bx dx. Again here we use uv method. So now integral cos bx e power ax dx is given. Now again we use here integral by parts means this is u and this is dv. Okay, by integral by parts again we have to return here. We know that integral u dv equal to u v minus integral v du. See here we use the same formula, so that's why I am not written again these terms, okay, but we have to written that directly here. This is u and this is dv by integral by parts. Yeah, now here from here, what is the first function here? U cos bx is the first function, and what is dv? What is dv? Here this is dv, but v equal to integral. So here u dv equal to e power ax. So therefore v equal to integral e power ax dx. Okay, so that's why here we written integral ax into b minus integral means here integral. What is v here? V is integral e power x dx, integral a power x dx into, and dv, sorry, du means d by dx of cos bx, right? So here in this integration, this is the first function. So du equal to differentiation of the first function into dx. Now we have to find out these values. Cos bx is as it is, integration of e power x equal to e power x by a minus, now again integration of e power x equal to e power x by a, differentiation of cos b equal to minus b sin bx dx. Okay, so therefore now this is as it is. Now coming to here, minus b by a, now we multiplying this minus b by a into these terms, minus b by a into e power ax by a cos bx, and minus minus plus, but one more minus is there, so that's why it becomes to negative, and b by a is there, 1 b by a is there, so therefore b square by a square integral e power ax into sin bx is there. So therefore we have to shift this minus b square by a square integral e power ax sin bx into left side. Okay, actually here left side is integral e power ax sin bx dx is there. Yes, this is the first term. If we shift this is into this side, this is becomes, this negative is becomes to positive, plus b square by a square integral e power ax sin bx dx. And right hand side values, this is as it is, e power ax by a sin bx, and b by a square e power ax cos bx. In these two terms e power ax is common, so that's why I am written here e power ax, and then we have to return the remaining terms, sin bx by a minus b by a square cos bx. Okay, now here, so again in these two terms, so this is common, integral a power ax sin bx, integral e power ax sin bx is the common term. So therefore if you are taking this is common, here we have only 1 plus b square by a square integral e power ax sin bx dx equal to, in right hand side, so we are taking this is LCM, a square is the LCM, or we have to written here a square is the LCM. Okay, so therefore we get a sin bx minus b sin bx dx. And in next step we have to shift this is into this side, means so completely it is becomes to in denominator 1 by, so here this is, so here we are taking this is a square is LCM, a square of a square plus b square, so that's why I am written here, if we shift this into this side, this is becomes in denominator, so 1 by a square plus b square by a square. And here we are taking a square common, so we getting one more a square, and this a square cancel, so finally we get e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. So what is this one? Integral e power ax sin bx dx equal to, so this is the formula. What is the formula here? So e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. So now students, we have to remember this integral like a formula. What is the formula here? Integral e power ax sin bx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Now dear students, now this is the formula, integral e power ax sin bx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. And similarly, The given integration is like that. Integral e power ax cos bx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. So now I am giving the one assignment here. Assignment: find integral e power ax cos bx dx value. So now we have to find out this integral value by using the same procedure. We have to first find out the integration. Then again we have in that integration one more integration is contains multiplication of two functions. So we have to find out this problem like the previous problem. Yes, now this is the assignment. Yeah, now we find out this integral value. Find integral e power 2x sin 3x dx. In general case, we have to find out the same procedure here, and we have to apply integral by parts. But we know that one of the formula. What is the formula? Our solution. We know that the formula. We know that integral e power ax sin bx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square of here a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, so by using this formula we have to find out the given integral value here. Okay, so now here we compare, means so therefore integral e power 2x sin 3x dx equal to, so we have to written e to the power of 2x is as it is. Here what is a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. We have to substitute both these values in right hand side. So therefore a equal to means e to the power of 2x is as it is. What is a here? A equal to 2 means 2 square plus b equal to 3 square of, what is a here? 2 into sin, b means 3x minus b means 3 cos 3x. So therefore finally this is equal to e to the power of 2x by 2 square means 4 and this is 9 means 13 of 2 sin 3x minus 3 cos 3x. Now this is the given integral value e to the power of 2x sin 3x dx. Okay, now this is the process of finding the given integral values. Now this is the one more example. Find integral e to the power of 5x cos 3x dx. We know that, now coming to the solution, we know that the formula, we know that integral e power ax cos bx dx equal to e to the power of ax by a square plus b square and a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now this is the formula. So by using this formula we have to find out this integral value. Okay, so therefore integral e to the power of 5x cos 3x dx equal to, here what is a equal to 5 and b equal to 3. Okay, now we have to substitute a equal to 5 and b equal to 3 in the right hand side. So therefore e to the power of 5x by 5 square plus 3 square of, what is a equal to again 5 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x, and this is equal to e to the power of 5x by 5 square means 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9, or directly we have to written this is equal to 34 5 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Now this is the given integral value, integral e to the power of 5x cos 3x dx. Now dear students, now this is the assignment, integral e power x sin x dx. Actually now this is a equal to 1 here, b equal to 1, we use the same formula. And coming to this problem, this is also as it is, integral e power ax sin bx, where a equal to 2, b equal to 1. And coming to third problem, integral e power x cos x dx, where a equal to 1, b equal to 1. But coming to this problem, integral e power x sin x plus cos x dx means, so first we have to multiplying e power x into sin x and written this is, so this form, okay. So then find out this integral value separately and this integral value separately by using this two formulas here, okay. Now this is the assignment. Now all the students now solve these 4 problems and upload in Wits Connect app. Thank you very much.